Let's talk about lead in ceramics. Hi, I'm Rebecca of Gravesco Pottery, mindfully creating goods that create mindful memories. I've been a studio potter for 13 years, and during that time I have always mixed my own glazes in the studio. Partially because I want control over the look, the finish, and the feel, and how you interact with my pots, but more importantly, as a mindful human, I want to make sure that the pots that you purchase are going to last you a lifetime and be safe and durable, and you never have to worry about them. We do not, nor have we ever used lead in any of our pottery. And we also have the MSDS sheets from the clay company to confirm that there's no lead in there as well. Now, I keep getting tagged in these posts where people are using the 3M swab lead testing kits and testing random things throughout their house and then freaking the fuck out because everything is testing positive for lead. Let's just start out by saying, take a deep breath. Those testing kits, and it says it right on the box, are for testing for lead paint. That's so when you do a home remodeling project, you're not releasing lead into the air for your family to breathe. The unfortunate thing is, if you Google them, reputable labs across the country have tested those kits, and they give us 70 to 98% false positive, saying that there's lead even when there's not. The process of testing for lead in ceramics, glassware, that sort of thing requires a lab, and it's well above my pay grade. But if you want to know the specifics of it, head over to Ceramics Materials Workshop, where Matt Katz just did a post on exactly what it takes to test for lead in ceramics.